Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming a few essentials. Be signed in as an administrator and connected to the internet so Windows can query time servers. Once done, open Start and go to Settings, then Time and Language. Make sure Windows Update is current and location services are enabled because automatic time zone relies on location and recent system updates. Now that prerequisites are set, move directly to the Time and Language page and get ready to change the automatic settings without delay. You will now enable the automatic controls. Toggle Set Time automatically to on if it isn't already. Next, enable Set Time Zone automatically and when prompted, allow location access so Windows can determine your zone from GPS or Wi-Fi. Make sure Windows Time Service is running, open services. MSC and confirm it's set to automatic. Start it if stopped. If you prefer command line, run w32tm/resync to force a sync. These steps let Windows pick the correct zone and update the system clock in real time. Finish by verifying the displayed time zone and comparing the clock to a trusted source. Make sure the offset matches your region. If changes don't apply immediately, restart the PC and rerun w32tm/resync to recontact NTP servers. One key troubleshooting tip. If the time zone keeps reverting, check location permissions, confirm the Windows Time Service is set to automatic, and inspect any group policy or registry settings that force a manual time zone. Adjust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.